Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to change the license plate light bulbs on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. There they are there. This is going to be a really similar process on all the years around this and similar models. So the first thing we need to do is get the trunk popped open. Let's go ahead and do that, and I'll get my camera on the tripod. All right, guys, so we got the trunk open. These are the tools that we're going to need. These are trim tools. I got this package off Amazon for, I don't remember the exact price, but it was less than 10 bucks. Came with all sorts of different plastic trim tools and came with a metal one here. And then also came with a bag to store them in, so we are going to need that. All right, guys, the next thing we need to do is get this cover off, and we do that by removing these clips. We want to be gentle, though. These clips, you remember, this is a 2006, so these clips are 15 years old. You know, they could be brittle. We don't want to damage them. If you do break one or lose one or something like that, you can get them online. They're not too expensive, but we're going to try to be gentle so we don't have to mess with any of that. Let's go ahead, and I'll get my camera on the tripod here, and we will get started. All right, guys, so make sure you're wearing safety glasses when you do this. You never know if these things are going to fly off at you. So here's the first clip we're going to remove. Here's one of the trim tools that they gave me in that package. We're just going to slide this right underneath like so to the plastic clip here. And we're just going to gently pull it, you know, use the leverage it gives you to get it out. Here's what those clips look like up close. They just got a bunch of teeth on them. We just want to be gentle not to break them. So let's go ahead and do this next one here. And on this one, I'll use the plastic trim tool, and same idea. You just want to sneak it under the clip like so. And then once you have it under the clip, you want to use the leverage that the tool gives you to just gently pull it out like so. Oops. Where did that one go? Oh, here it is. So, yeah, we got that one out too, and same deal. Just be gentle so you don't break them. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the clips on the cover, and I'll be back and we'll show you what's underneath. All right, guys, cover comes off pretty easily after you remove the last clip. It just kind of falls out of place there. It does, you know, tuck behind here. So once you get the last clip out, it just kind of slides out. This is the area we are going to be working on, though. To get the socket out here, what you need to do is turn this a quarter turn clockwise, and these are on there pretty tough. You know, I try to grab up by the base. You don't want to break it, but you do gotta, it's got, you know, you do gotta put a little bit of pressure there to get it to turn. And it's about a quarter turn clockwise, and it will pull right out. And here is what the bulb looks like. Let's go ahead and take that one out. And I'm gonna show you what the replacement bulbs look like here. All right, guys, here are the new light bulbs. These are Sylvania 168 long lives. You know, I got these off Amazon too. They weren't too much money. I think they were under $5. But let's go ahead and get these opened up, and we're going to replace both of our bulbs. All right, guys, so now we can put our new bulb right back into place here, and that's what it looks like in there. And the new bulb just will slide into place until you feel it seat all the way in like so. And then you're just going to take this, and there are two different, you can see here on the top and bottom, there's like bump outs around this circle. And let me show you here, right up in here so you can see it better. All right, guys, you can see that's where the socket plugs into, and you can see the two little bump outs around the circle there. Okay, so you're going to take these bump outs, and you're going to fit them in here like so until you see it kind of sink in there. And then you can turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise until you hear it click into place. And same deal, it's pretty tough, pretty tight. Try to grab up by the top here, makes it a little easier. You can keep turning. until you hear it click into place like it just did there. Okay, let's go ahead and get the cover back on. All right, guys, we got that other bulb changed and just did it the same way we did the first one. We're going to go ahead and put our cover back on, and it's just going to slide into place like so. And it goes behind the emergency let out there. And once we have it in place, I just have a clip here in my other hand. And we're going to go ahead and just get one clip in, and these just push in all the way like so until you hear it click into place. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up really quick, and then we are done with the job. All right, guys, I got all my clips pushed back in there, and we can see that the cover's on and secure and looking good. And I went ahead and turned on my lights really quick, and when we pull this down, we can see that both the license plate lights are working there. So job completed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.